Now that we're getting into the heat of summer, my sugar snap peas are dying back, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm actually pretty happy. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I harvest the seeds from these so I can plant them again next year and I never have to buy sugar snap pea seeds again. So it's very obvious that the leaves and the seed pods have turned to brown on these, and that is what you're looking for when you want to collect the seeds to replant them. I'll go ahead and tear this one off and open it up to show you what the seeds look like inside. This is about what you would want to see, kind of a wrinkly seed that is a grayish green. And this pod is absolutely full of them, and they're very easy to open up and take the seeds from. I recommend harvesting a bunch of the seed pods at once and then doing a mass opening of them. If they're not wrinkly, that's okay. They can be green and full of color. What you don't want is for them to be full of moisture, really. You want them to dry out a bit. I'll show you some snap peas that aren't ready to be picked for their seeds. This area must get a little more shade. I'm not sure why, but these don't seem ready to me at all. They're still green, as you can tell. That's a great sign. They've been on there a little long, and you can tell that they're starting to get that brown on them and that discoloration. This one started to turn a little black. I think that's totally fine. That's just the way that the seed pods change color. So I went ahead and opened this one up that's still a little green. It's kind of green-yellow, and the peas are firm. They are big, and it seems like they are full. I'm not 100% sure which is better, the wrinkly seeds or these full seeds, but that's something I will definitely experiment for in the next season. This is just to compare both seed pods that I picked today. The one on the right is the shriveled up ones that was more brown, and the one on the left is the one that was a little more green. And this seed pod that I'm opening up now is kind of a mix of both. There are a couple of wrinkly ones, but they are all full of color, and the best thing about these is that they're all firm. They're not squishy. They all seem like they're hardened seeds. So at any stage, I suppose, you could be picking these off. I like to wait until they're a bit more brown and wrinkly. And just for prosperity's sake, I thought I would show you what the snap peas that I purchased look like. These are the seeds from Johnny Seeds, and they are even smaller and more wrinkly. As you can see in the close-up, that's what they look like when you get them from a seed company. And I want to clarify that I'm no expert. This is just my second season growing the sugar snap peas. All of the ones that you see behind me were grown from seeds that I saved from last year. So if you want to see which snap pea grows better, the wrinkly one or the non-wrinkly one, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you next spring. Happy gardening.